Good day everyone! In this video, we will discuss about the applications of circles. In solving word problems involving circles, it is very important to note the standard and general forms of its equation and the importance of the center and the radius. Let us consider an example. A router is located in the library of the university, which is 1.5 meters away from a student lounge. The range of the router, which services the Wi-Fi connection of the university, has a diameter of 3.5 meters with it as the center. Can students staying in the lounge connect to the said Wi-Fi? Consider the router to be the center of the circle at the origin, since it was given that the service has a diameter of 3.5 meters. Remember that the radius is half the diameter. Thus, with this, it follows that the radius of the service area of the router is 1.75 meters. With the center at the origin and radius of 1.75 meters, the equation of the circle will be x squared plus y squared equals 1.75 quantity squared. Since the student lounge is 1.5 meters away from the router, we can consider its location to be in the x-axis with coordinates 1.5, 0. To determine if the lounge is within the service area of the router, we need to show that the point 1.5, 0 will satisfy the inequality x squared plus y squared is less than or equal to 1.75 quantity squared. By substitution, we will have 1.5 quantity squared plus 0 squared is less than or equal to 1.75 quantity squared. 1.5 quantity squared is equal to 2.25 and 0 squared is equal to 0. And 1.75 quantity squared is equal to 3.0625. 2.25 plus 0 is equal to 2.25, that is less than or equal to 3.0625. Notice that the inequality is being satisfied by the point 1.5, 0. Therefore, the student can stay in the student lounge to connect in the Wi-Fi. Let us have another example. Every year, the Philippines gets hit by approximately 20 typhoons. Accurate forecast is therefore needed for the people to be ready when the typhoon strikes. Suppose Typhoon X is in the country and is predicted to have 350 km radius. Further, it was reported that Town A, located 260 km south and 255 km west from its eye, is at the periphery of circumference of the typhoon. The town folks want to verify this news. Consider the center of the typhoon to be at the origin. Since it was given that the radius of the typhoon is 350 kilometers, then the equation of the circle that may represent the typhoon will be x squared plus y squared equals 350 squared. Since Town A is located 260 kilometers south and 255 kilometers west, we can consider the coordinates of its location to be at 225, 260. To determine if Town A is at the periphery or circumference of the typhoon, we need to show that the point 255, 260 will satisfy the inequality x squared plus y squared is less than or equal to 350 squared. By substitution, we will have 255 squared plus 260 squared is less than or equal to 350 squared. Simplifying 255 squared and 260 squared, we will have 65,025 plus 67,600 is less than or equal to 122,500. Simplifying the left side of the equation, we will have 132,625 is less than or equal to 122,500. Notice that the inequality is not being satisfied by the point 255, 260. Therefore, the report was inaccurate and the town A is not in the periphery of the typhoon X. I hope that you have understood the lesson. For the next video, we will discuss about the application of parabolas. Thank you so much for listening and see you on our next discussion.